So you think you need to find a home that has a little more breathing room in Spokane Valley, Washington? Then I have just the home for you. Right now I'm in front of my favorite restaurants called Craft and Gather, which is just minutes away from the listing I'm about to take you through. It's just one of several restaurants and shopping centers here in town. Like I said, just minutes away from this listing. The home is in the neighborhood known as Ponderosa in Spokane Valley, Washington. It sits on a corner lot. It's just over an acre, and I think you're gonna love it. So stick around, don't miss out, because I'm gonna take you to it right now. So if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about the Spokane and North Idaho market, hit that like and subscribe button, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about everything there is and everything happening in Spokane and North Idaho. My name's Scott Lovinger. I'm with the Living in Spokane and North Idaho team. I'm here today with my friend Jamie from Jamie Nell Design. We're going to take you through the home and give you a highlight of everything the home has to offer and some tips on what can make it even better. If you or someone you know are looking to move to Spokane, North Idaho, whether it's 9 days or 90 days, we'd love to help you make that smooth move here. Our contact info is in the description below. You can shoot us a text, give us a call, or shoot us an email, or better yet, set up a Zoom link call, and we'd love to meet you face to face and really dial in what you're looking for. So as I said, we're going to take you through the home, and we're going to get to it right now. So we're at the front steps of the home, and like I said before, I'm here with my friend Jamie from Jamie Nell Design. She's helped out several of my clients turn their homes into functional, comfortable living spaces, and I'm going to let her take it from here.
All right, so immediately what I noticed about this house is the rich character of it. I love the lines of the roof, the big windows that are at these irregular shapes and angles that just give it such rich character. I also really love the stone that you can see here. Although it's stone that was very popular in the 70s, the lightness of it gives it a very modern, updated feel.
Beautiful views of the mountain you can see right over there is Tower Mountain, and one other thing that I wanted to highlight was all the hiking that's nearby this home as well. There's a trailhead up there called Eiler Creek. It's a 4-mile loop. You can often find deer, even moose sometimes up there for wildlife, if that's something you're interested in. So really, this home is just in the perfect spot, perfect location, has everything you would be looking for. So let's head in.
This is the entryway of the house. It's a beautiful, spacious entryway. Even though it's a split level, it's very open. You've got a great place over here to put a bench and a coat rack to receive guests and to sit down and take off your shoes. You've got a lot of natural light coming in. And again, with this beautiful stone that brings the outside into the house. Let's go on to the living room. Here in the living room, again, it's a very spacious space. We've got beautiful big windows, a nice electric fireplace here. You definitely see a large sofa, 2 chairs, space on this back wall for a television, and plenty of room for artwork as well. In here, this is a great formal dining room space. Big windows let that natural light in with views of the beautiful backyard and all of the landscaping. I love how this dining room is framed in, which creates a perfect space for different color paint or wallpaper, some different styling to make it fun. Going into the kitchen, again, large kitchen. It's got a very functional layout. The cabinets are in great condition, even though they are original. Lots of storage space as well. And then we've got our breakfast nook here with French doors out to the backyard. Open those up in the summer because we know how beautiful Spokane summers are. You've got plenty of space here for a buffet and some display items too. Now before we head back to the bedrooms, I just want to point out how impressed I am with this house architecturally. We've really got wide hallways and tall ceilings all throughout the home. And we've got plenty of windows in there that bring the natural light in, which just make this a really unique and beautiful home in this area. So we're gonna go up here and we'll first show the guest bathroom. So immediately you see a very large, spacious bathroom. You've got a vanity with a single sink, and then you've got a tub shower over here. In the hallway here, you see built-ins for storage. And then we're gonna go into the first bedroom here. Again, a large bedroom, especially for this time era. We've got a nice sized closet and beautiful big windows that overlook the trees here. Going into our second bedroom, again, a large bedroom, large window, and ceiling lights, and a nice sized closet as well. Into the master here, large master. We've got double his/hers closets over on this wall. Plenty of space for a king size bed, a large size dresser, maybe two. We've got a nice size bathroom in here. Plenty of space for two people to be in. We've got a nice size shower as well, and lots of natural light. Also, the master bedroom leads out to this beautiful patio space.
So you can see here, I'm just gonna jump in real quick with Jamie, but got these beautiful trees, and you can really tell like it's just quiet. You can't really hear anything, right, Jamie? And you can't really see anybody. Nobody's looking into you. So if you're looking for a home with privacy, this is it. Plus, if you've ever been to Manitou Park on the South Hill, it's a beautiful park, by the way. Recommend you visit if you're coming here. It really has that kind of vibe. Just beautiful landscaping, well manicured. The owner's taken really good care of it. You know, kind of put her heart and soul into it, and it's just beautiful park-like. You could get lost in it, but it's one of the advantages to this home.
So we're down in the basement. It's a nice cozy space. Still lots of natural light gets in. A large family room area. Beautiful second gas fireplace right here.
There's also outside entrance to the outside to the front yard as well, and just to the right of those doors is a stepway up to the backyard as well, so you've got entrance there as well. Nice daylight basement.
Down here we've also got a large 3/4 bath with a laundry room, and we've got nice built-ins right here for plenty of storage. In the basement we've got a nice bar area here. It's got an auxiliary sink, some storage, plenty of room for seating for guests. And come in here, this is the fourth bedroom.
Now this fourth bedroom technically is non-conforming. There is no egress window, but it does have a closet, and as you can tell, plenty of room for beds. Will be perfect if you wanted to, you know, use it as an office, or you know, if you wanted to use it as a exercise room as well. All right, so we're in the garage now. As you can see, big oversized 2-car garage. It's got really tall ceilings, plenty of room for parking, storage on the side there, but there's more storage over here. They utilize the space that is underneath the stairs in the house. You can see here, so all your holiday decorating, whatever you want. Even if you wanted a Harry Potter room, throw a kid in there, you could. Just joking. You could do that. But we also have your utility closet is over here, your furnace, water heater, water softener, all of that over here. But my favorite part of the garage right here is just kind of workshop or mudroom area. All right, so we're back outside. I just want to highlight for you, 2-car garage. You've got bedrooms up above the garage right there. But what I really want to highlight here, got this long driveway with plenty of parking and extra RV parking or boat parking or whatever you want. A little bit later, we'll show you the back half of the property that covers the gated access where you could build a shop, or even more parking for if you had an RV and a boat. But just one of the great features of this home, being on such a large lot in such a private neighborhood, you've got space for everything. So as we mentioned at the beginning, this home sits on a just over an acre lot Right now we're on the back half of the property, and you can see this has this gated access right here, and this would be perfect. It extends all the way that cross fence back there in the corner. Be perfect for someone to build a shop, or if you just wanted to, build a carport for your RV or boat. This would be the perfect spot. You've got tons of room. There's tons of homes here that already have shops, so well-established precedent for CCNRs or whatever. There are no HOAs in this community. It's an old, as you can tell by all the trees, old, well-established community. And there's just tons of room. As you can see from the patio that we were at earlier, it extends a lot further away from the house. So you've got tons of privacy and, like I said in the beginning of the video, breathing room from your neighbors. So if you are someone looking for a shop or you've got lots of toys, this would be the perfect spot for it.